Namaste all. I am Vijaya Suvarna. Today I am going to recite a Guru Shankarashtakam written by a Yuva Kavi Raghu Kishore Sharma of Mantani, Telangana. This is written in language Sanskrit. We are all chanting on the occasion of Sri Guru Shankaracharya Jayanti. I'll render my recitation now. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha, Sri Vagdevi Namaha, Sri Gurave Namaha. Sri Guru Shankarashtakam. Sri Gurum Bhagavat Padam Jnana Marga Prakashakam Shruti Smruti Susarajnam Namami Guru Shankaram Aryambaya Tanujancha Swayam Shiva Gurostutam Sadachara Pravaktaram Namami Guru Shankaram Niswangana Gruhe Bhuri Swarnavrush Prakalpakam Samsara Taranadharam Namami Guru Shankaram Advaita Bodhakam Bhavyam Pashanda Mata Bhedakam Veda Jnana Pravaktaram Namami Guru Shankaram Prasthanatraya Bhashyanam Karakancha Jagadgurum Shanmatastapanaacharyam Namami Guru Shankaram Ajnanatimiranjishtham Prajnana Pradadeshikam Sujnana Ghanarupam cha Namami Guru Shankaram Meya Karuna Sindhum Stotranika Vidayakam Satyadanda Param Sadhum Namami Guru Shankaram Shankaram Sarvalokanam Shankatinasha Bhaskaram Shankarasya Tam Namami Guru Shankaram Sharadaya Prasadena Shankararyasya Padayoh Bhaktya Raghukishorena Krutastotram Samarpitam. Thank you.